Hello everyone, myself Dr. Sriparna Shaha, and on my YouTube channel we are discussing about reviews on courses that I have completed during this lockdown due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Three reviews has already been uploaded. The last two reviews, that is on the neural networks and deep learning, and another review that is improving deep neural networks, both of the two uh, video lectures that the reviews that I have given on that YouTube channel, that is on my YouTube channel. In these two are the courses are basically the part of the specialization offered in the Coursera named as deep learning. And I must thank my university, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology, to giving me this opportunity to complete these courses in Coursera. Thanks to Coursera and my university Macaut, I am able to complete this total specialization course that has 5 courses in total. So the first two courses reviews on that has already been uploaded on my channel. Third course, that is the structuring machine learning projects. On that course we are going to talk about today. So this particular course is basically actually a very small course. It has only 2 weeks, week 1 and week 2. Okay, earlier the courses have around 4 weeks. So these are the just 2 weeks course. It's very small course, and the course is all about how to build a successful machine learning project. So you are interested in doing something in AI. You have planned to do a work, a certain algorithm you have designed. But after designing or after running or implementing that particular algorithm, there might be some issue that you are facing. And if you can overcome those issues, then your machine learning project will go to the next level. That is all about this particular course. In the week 1, the course will start with the introduction to the ML strategy. Then, for any particular machine learning algorithm, there could be several performance metrics like accuracy, precision, recall. There can be different, or rate. There can be numerous, or the computation and time. But what the course suggests us that we should opt for a single number evaluation metric. Why? If there are different metrics, one metric can be better in respect to one metric, our algorithm can be better than the other, or in respect to another metric, our algorithm may perform worse than the other algorithm. But if we consider one particular single evaluation metric, then only we can say whether our algorithm can performing better than all the other existing algorithms or not. Then this particularly week we are going to know how you need to divide the three different data set, or even total distribution of data. From the total distribution of data, how you can segregate the data into train, dev and test set. That is, dev stands for development, or you can another way say it, validation data set. How to segregate the total distribution of data, and what are the two distribution of data should be equal, whether your train and dev distribution should be equal, right? So in that fashion it has been talked to you. Next, in that course you will going to do what is known as human level performance. So in your algorithm is performing very high accuracy, giving you suppose a very high accuracy. It's giving you 91% accuracy. But in that particular scenario, your human level performance is going to give you suppose 99% accuracy. Suppose your task was to segregate between a glass and a water bottle. So your human can easily segregate that which picture corresponds to the glass class. That is I'm talking about a glass of water, that sense. And another picture that which type of pictures that basically belongs to the water jug. So that segregation, that human level performance, how to increase your algorithm performance such that it can be comparable with the human level performance. Then it's a very great quiz is there. I really like that particular quiz that has been given in this particular course. where the real life problem of bird recognition in a particular arbitrary city that has been talked about, and different bird images will be given to you, and you need to identify which type of train deviation state you need for that, what type of algorithms, and how what could be the human level performance there. This particular quiz is there. Now on the week 2, in the week 2, the course starts with error analysis. You are going to know about what is a overfitting, what is a underfitting. Based on this, you are going to know how to deal with the bias error and the variance error. Then it's about the transfer learning. What is transfer learning? Suppose there are some already existing algorithms and the algorithms has already been properly trained. By taking the help of the already available algorithm and using that already available algorithm in your own work where you have a limited number of data, that is all about transfer learning. Then multitask learning was there. Next, it was about the end-to-end deep learning. In this particular week, the quiz is about autonomous driving. This is also another case study sort of quiz, and it's innovative in its own way. You must go. And so this course I have completed on May 26, 2020. It's basically 2 weeks of study, I have already told you, and in each week you need around 3 to 4 hours per week. But in my opinion, whenever I complete one course, I used to give much more amount of time per day. Suppose in each day you are giving around 2 hours of time, so within a week you can easily complete this course. And I will not suggest you to. It's a very great course, but if you are interested in completing this deep learning specialization, then you need to complete this course. Otherwise, if you are not interested to complete the total specialization, you may skip this particular course. In my opinion, I will give this course around 4.1 out of 5 rating. So thank you everyone for watching this particular video and happy studying.